The essential skills of parenting. Parenting, as rewarding an experience it is an extremely tough job. However, a few skills and you will get it right. Here are a few to get you started. Create the right atmosphere. Creating the necessary ambience is a large part of parenthood. You must create the right kind of atmosphere, a certain sense of joy, love, care and discipline both within yourself and in your home. The only thing that you can do to your child is to give him love and support. Create a loving atmosphere for him where intelligence will naturally flower. A child looks at life pristinely. So you sit with him and look at life fresh like he does. Your child need not do what you did in life. Your child should do something that you did not even have the courage to think about. Know what your child needs. Some parents, in their aspiration or ambition to make their children super strong, unnecessarily put their children through too much hardship. They want their children to become what they themselves could not become. In trying to fulfill their ambitions through their children, some parents are extremely cruel to their children. Other parents, believing that they are very loving to their children, have over-pampered them and made them dependent. Learn from your child. Most adults assume that as soon as a child is born, it is time to become teachers. When a child enters your house, it is not the time to become a teacher. It is time to learn, because if you look at yourself and your child is more joyous, isn't it? So it is time you learn life from them, not the other way around. Just let him be. If parents are truly concerned about their children, they must raise their children in such a way that the child will never have any need for the parent. The process of loving should always be a liberating process, not an entangling process. So when the child is born, allow the child to look around, spend time with nature and spend time with himself. Create an atmosphere of love and support, and don't try to impose your morals, ideas, religion or whatever in any way. Be a joyful, peaceful being. If you want to bring up your child well, the first thing is you should be happy. But you by yourself do not know how to be happy. Every day in your house, when tension, anger, fear, anxiety and jealousy are the only things that are being demonstrated to your child, what is going to happen to him? He will obviously learn only these, isn't it? If you really have the intention of bringing up your child well, you should change yourself to be a loving, joyous and peaceful being. If you are incapable of transforming yourself, where is the question of you bringing up your child? For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.